It's Dave from Upgrade Your Home DIY, and I'm back in the garage working on another French cleat hanger for the garage. And this one, I just need it very, very simple. So it's going to be a post. So this is going to replace what is on a peg wall that is just one post that comes out. So what I'm going to do is I've got a 3/4 inch piece of plywood. I don't need it too big. I need it a little longer because I need it to go from where it's attached one cleat to cover the other cleat. And then I've got a 1/4 inch piece of dowel. Now 1/4 inch dowel doesn't sound like it's going to be very strong, but this is hardwood dowel. And that's what you get at the store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole into this 3/4 inch piece of plywood all the way through at a slight angle. So the post will go through, I'll glue it in, and it'll be slightly at an angle. So then when I put on, whether they're cutters, shears, hedge trimmers, something like that, they will sit on this 1/4 inch dowel and it won't pull out or it won't break because first of all it's hardwood and it's all the way 3/4 through glued in. So I'm going to start by drilling my hole. I've marked where it's going to be. I have my cleat here. So I've measured where I want the hole to be right there. So I'm going to drill that through at a slight angle. Now when you're drilling at an angle, often it's easier to start drilling straight and then get at an angle. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now let's test. That's quite a tight fit. So let's make sure that this is going to open up a little bit more. So don't unclamp from the workbench until you know that your dowel is going to go all the way through. And I think that went through. Let's double check. Yeah, it's into the wood down there. So that's going to be my dowel, and I want it to be about 8 inches. That's all I need here to stick out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this dowel to the size I need. Then I can put it in with some glue and let it dry. Okay, so I've got my 8-inch piece cut. Let's get some glue in the hole here. It's flowing through the other side almost, so that should be enough. And slide this end in. And yes, the glue is going to come out on the back side as it goes in. So make sure that you get the dowel all the way through, but not sticking out the other side too much. It can stick out a little bit because again, I've measured so that the cleat is above it and it's not going to cause a problem. But you want it to be able to sit flat against the next cleat if that's how tight it is. So I got my dowel here through my 3/4 inch piece of plywood, and I have to clean that glue up. Now I have to wait for 30 minutes, then I'll put this section. Again, I'm going to put a wider section on as a holder just to give it additional stability. Okay, so our glue has pretty much dried. So now I can just go ahead and clamp these two pieces together, my hanger piece and my post. Clamp those two together, put a couple screws in, and then we can get it up on the wall. I'm going to drill a couple of countersink holes and attach it with a couple of 1 1/4 inch screws. Okay. Okay, so now we can put it up on the French cleat wall and hang whatever we need to do. I'm going to hang some clippers on it. I'm over at the French cleat wall and I'm going to hang this up. And one of the reasons for using a long piece on the back is if your cleat needs support, it's going to reach the cleat below. If you want to put it down on a lower one, again, it has a lot of support down below. Again, you're not doing anything really heavy here. So I've got these clippers that I use for the bushes out front. Just hang those on, and there we go. So another garage French cleat holder that you can build yourself to help organize your garage. If this video was helpful for you, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I publish new videos. If the information in this video was helpful, here are some other videos I think you'll also find helpful. Thanks for watching.